Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the unboxing and overview and the details about this Indus Valley 3.5 liter pure stainless steel, which is tri-ply cooking kadai. See here, India's #1 healthy cookware brand, the Indus Valley. So this comes with the stainless steel lid only with the handles. Okay, handle on the lid and handle on the kadai. And this is tri-ply, means three coatings actually. The inner part is stainless steel and also the outer part will be stainless steel, and in between there will be different material like aluminum, and this is got heavy weight, and the user has purchased this around 2500 rupees. But now when I checked, this was purchased like a month ago and now the price has been reduced. The user got this for 2400 to 2500, somewhere between this. And now today when I check this got a decently better rating, 4.5. The Indus Valley tri-ply stainless steel kadai, which is 10.2 inch, 26 centimeter diameter, 3.5 liter, which is suitable for like 3 to 4 people or 4 to 5 people family to cook the curries, because this is decently good. And capacity is 3.5 liter. If we check the more specification, this is the particular model number if you want. Material is tri-ply stainless steel, and this is included with a lid, and this is not a non-stick. Okay, no coating at all on the surface, which is good for health. And please do comment if anyone else are already using tri-ply, and please do mention which brand tri-ply are you using and how satisfied with your product. I already did unboxing on Bergner stainless steel tri-ply kadai. If you want that video, check in the description. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.